Always double or triple your trading capital with AI automated bots. So if you click the link in my bio, you'll get free classes, and if you comment, you can get free funding. So we are starting now today copy trading and also trading with the AI automated bots. So it is AI automated bots combined with copy trading. Don't forget that, and make sure the platform you're using is RunQuilly, which offers you free trading bots. So the bots are free. You don't have to pay nothing, only some fees for the bots. So that's after profit. So you come to trading bots after funding your account. That is, if you fund like 100, you unlock the bots for 100 and below. So which bot will we be using? Which bot will you be using today? I just want to see the most profitable and the most minimum time, so that it doesn't go for a longest time, like one day. Uh, let's do this on Phoenix. Phoenix, it is 6 hours. That's a lot. Let's do Apex Predator up. Its profit margin is 958, and the minimum is 1000. We have that. I'll just come enter my amount 1000, and take profit. I set 900, and maximum loss I set 50. So this is how we start running our bot. Start Apex. It's called. What's the name of this bot again? Let me go back and check. So it should be here. The bot has started running. Actually, the bot is running. The bot is running, my guy. So make sure you join copy trading. And we started with a loss of 2.32, my guys. A loss of 2.32. Here it is. Let's hit a profit. Then we start copy trading. We'll share in Telegram and also share in WhatsApp. A profit of 57. Remember, here we'll be hitting massive profits because we are trading with a lot of money. That's 1000, not a lot, but something good. So the profit margin is higher. I'll tell you for free. Always start with around $200 and you thank me later. If you can manage 1000, it's better because you'll unlock almost all the bots, and you will have a variety of bots to start with. So to trade with, you won't be fumbling with the market. We are running at a PNL of 29. So let me share the code because it will be taking, is it 13 hours? It's a lot. I think I learned that in a few. I won't wait for 13 hours. So let me go in copy trading. Then I click on share. One bot is running. You can see Apex Predator. I click on share. Sorry. Then I copy. Then if you want to copy trade, you just click on enter. You paste that code, this one. Then you set amount. Let's say 1000 or 100. I'll accept all today. And you take profit. Stop loss, enter 50 or 30 or any. So let me show on WhatsApp and Telegram. Then we see how it will go. So people have started joining. You can see this one. I shared it right now, some few minutes ago. 10:04 it is 10:06, and 196 have viewed it. And at 202, 208, you can see the live data here. And I started approving. You can see massive 1,800. Let me approve this one. That one is a reminder that I delayed to approve some. 10 approved so far. And 1,855. Ghana 63. Pull up your socks. $53,000. Dollars 117. 126. 10,000. Which country is that? 1,700. Good. We are doing good. 1,700 again. Okay. Let me approve that. That's a reminder that they have piled up. Why isn't it refreshing? So that's how we copy trade. That's how we do it daily. Make sure you join. You join Kenya 143. Which country again? 102. And this one 64,000. Amazing. I should also start trading with these massive amounts, like 10,000. I'll do that tonight. 1736. And yesterday I did approve almost 400, not almost, it was 416, and we did some massive profits. So make sure you join now, and I'll approve your request. Let's check our bot, how it is doing, and I end this video, then we start. We're at 36 USDTs in just some 10 minutes, so you don't miss my classes at any cost.